Keeping your pool water crystal clear can seem daunting for beginners, but it's all about following a simple routine. In this guide, we'll cover 3 key steps: keeping your filter clean, maintaining balanced water chemistry, and cleaning your pool surfaces. By understanding and implementing these steps, you can enjoy a sparkling clean pool without worrying about issues like cloudy water or algae. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Keep your filter clean. Your pool's filter is essential for trapping contaminants and ensuring clean water circulation. To keep it effective, you'll need to clean it regularly based on the type of filter you have. Cartridge filter. Remove the cartridge and spray it with a filter cleaning solution or soak it overnight. Sand filter. Backwash the filter to loosen and remove built-up contaminants. DE filter. Backwash the filter, rinse the filter grids or fingers, and add fresh DE powder. Check your filter pressure gauge regularly. If the pressure is 10 psi above normal, it's time to clean the filter. Additionally, check your skimmer and pump baskets weekly to remove debris, and run your pump and filter for at least 8 hours a day to ensure all water passes through the system. Step 2. Keep your water clean. Balancing your water chemistry is crucial for preventing issues like algae and cloudy water. Test your water once a week using test strips or a liquid test kit, focusing on alkalinity, pH, and free chlorine levels. Here are the key chemicals you'll need: alkalinity increaser or baking soda, pH increaser or soda ash, pH decreaser or muriatic acid, chlorine, tablets, granules, or liquid, chlorine stabilizer, calcium hardness increaser. Pool shock. Start by balancing your total alkalinity and pH, as they help stabilize your chlorine levels. Add chlorine weekly, ensuring your saltwater pool has enough salt if applicable. Monitor cyanuric acid, CYA, levels to protect chlorine from UV rays, but avoid excessive buildup. Lastly, check calcium hardness monthly to prevent scale formation. Regularly shock your pool to maintain active chlorine levels and eliminate contaminants. Step 3. Keep your surfaces clean. Weekly surface cleaning is essential to prevent algae and debris buildup. You'll need a skimmer net, pool brush, manual vacuum, and optionally, a robotic pool cleaner. Follow these steps. 1. Skim. Remove larger debris like leaves from the water surface. 2. Brush. Scrub the sides and floor of your pool to loosen algae and dirt. 3. Vacuum. Use a manual vacuum to remove smaller particles and contaminants. A robotic pool cleaner can help with routine cleaning, but keep a manual vacuum for tasks like removing algae or flocculant. By following these 3 steps, keeping your filter clean, maintaining balanced water chemistry, and cleaning your pool surfaces, you can ensure your pool water stays clear and inviting. Regular maintenance might seem like a lot, but it's much easier than dealing with major issues like algae blooms. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out our channel for more tutorials. It's over for now, bye.